Introduction. Zubin Garg was a legendary artist and cultural icon of Assam. He was a singer, musician, music director, composer, lyricist, music producer, actor, film director, film producer, script writer, and a social worker. He is known as Luit Kantha, King of Hummings, and Heartthrob of Assamese people. Childhood. Zubin was born on 18 November 1972 in Tura, Meghalaya. His father's name was Mohini Mohan Borthakur and mother's name was Ili Borthakur. Zubin's nickname was Goldie. His birth name was Jivan Borthakur. He was named after the great composer Zubin Mehta. Zubin began singing at the age of 3 and composed his first song Gaane Kiane at the age of 13. Education. Zubin Garg's first guru was his mother, from whom he learned to sing, and he learned playing the tabla from Pandit Rabin Banerjee. Guru Ramani Rai introduced him to Assamese folk music. Zubin Garg did his primary education at Carmel School, Jorhat. He passed his matriculation exam from Tamulpur ASS School in 1989. He completed his higher secondary education in science at JV College, Jorhat. After that, he went to B. Borua College, Guwahati in 1991, but dropped out to concentrate on his singing career. Personal life. Zubin Garg married Garima Saikia, a fashion designer from Golaghat, on February 2002. He considered himself irreligious and said that he did not have any caste or religion. Musical journey. Zubin Garg started his career with the Assamese music album Onamika in 1992. He released many other albums such as Hoponor Phul, Maya, Asa, Pakhi, Mukti, Sisu, Jantra, Mukha, and more. Sandini Rat was his first Hindi solo album. Zubin Garg has recorded about 38,000 songs in 40 languages. Contribution to cinema. Zubin Garg made his debut as an actor and director in the film Tumi Moor, Matru Moor in 2000. He gained popularity by directing the music for Munin Borua's film Hiya Diya Niya. Subsequently, he acted in films such as Dinabandhu, Monjai, Gaane Kiane, Mission Saina, The Underworld, Kanchenjunga, Rajniti, Dr. Besbarua 2, Sikar, and Roy Roy Binale. Honors and awards. Zubin won the Best Music Director Award in 2005 for the Bengali film Sudhu Tumi. For the song Ya Ali from the Hindi film Gangster, Zubin received the Best Male Playback Singer Award at the Global Indian Film Award and Stardust Award in 2006. Additionally, he won the Rajat Kamal Award as Best Music Director for the film Echoes of Silence. Social life. Zubin Garg ran an organization called the Kalaguru Artist Foundation, which provided financial support for various causes. This organization offered aid during floods in Assam. He always helped the poor. He was an extraordinary person who loved animals, birds, and nature. Conclusion. Zubin Garg passed away on 19 September 2025 in Singapore. His sudden demise left a deep void in Assam and the wider Indian music world. He was more than an artist, a voice of identity, and a cultural icon who carried Assam to the global stage.